In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create roles in Zoho Creator. Whether you're a newcomer trying to get the hang of organizing your applications or a seasoned user looking for a refresher, this guide will provide you with a clear path to successfully set up roles and streamline your workflow within the platform. To get started, log into your Zoho Creator account. Once you're in, you'll notice the dashboard presents you with several options like application, microservices, environments, and more. For our purpose, we will focus on the users section, which you can locate within the main menu. This section is crucial because it encompasses all aspects of managing permissions and roles within your applications. As you navigate to the Users tab, you'll likely see a list of existing users who have access to your Creator application. Here, our goal is to define specific roles, which will help in managing what each user can see and do within your application. Setting up roles in Zoho Creator is not just about restricting access, but also about enhancing efficiency by giving team members the appropriate tools they need. In this user's interface, simulate the first step by looking for the Roles section. Click on it to access the Roles Management area. This page should look familiar if you've worked with role-based systems before. You'll need to create a new role relevant to your organizational needs. Start this process by selecting the Add New Role button, which might be located at the top right corner of your screen. Think of a meaningful name for your role that accurately reflects the responsibilities it entails. For instance, if this role is for project managers, you might name it Project Manager. This naming convention will keep things organized and intuitive for future reference. After naming the role, provide a concise description that outlines what this role will entail within your application. This extra detail can be particularly helpful when managing a large team, ensuring clarity across the board. With the basics set up, it's time to assign permissions. The goal here is to strike a balance between empowering your team and securing your application. You'll have the option to enable or disable permissions based on different modules or sections within your application. Consider each task that the role may need to perform and adjust the permissions accordingly. There will often be checkboxes or toggle switches to make this process straightforward. Once you've carefully set up the permissions, review everything to make sure it aligns with your intentions. Precision here is key, as the roles you create can greatly impact the functionality of your application and the effectiveness of your team members. When you're satisfied, confirm your settings by hitting the Save button. This action will officially create the role and apply it to your Zoho Creator account. Congratulations, you have just successfully created a role in Zoho Creator. With these roles now established, your team is better poised to collaborate effectively while maintaining the security and integrity of your applications.